Hello, good morning. This is your daily outlook for Thursday, the 14th of February. The euro is moving lower versus the US dollar, touching 134.39 as news comes out for the European economy. French preliminary GDP came out worse than expected at minus 0.3%. And looking ahead, we expect preliminary GDP releases from Germany and Italy. Later this afternoon, we expect US unemployment claims to come out lower than last month. This creates a negative sentiment for the single currency, which may edge lower in today's trading. The US dollar gained versus the Japanese yen, touching 93.61 after worse than expected growth results. Prime Minister Abe's decision to aim inflation at 2% through monetary easing from the Bank of Japan looks to be moving in this direction as the bank kept rates unchanged. The UK 100 edged above 6360 as higher than expected inflation reports came out in the UK, pushing investors into equities. Brent crude consolidates at 117.91 after volatile trading due to better than expected growth from Asian economies, the push the energy higher. Now let's take a look at what the currencies are doing this morning. The euro dollar pivot points at 134.75 with a preference to enter in short positions at 134.75. The dollar yen pivot points at 92.90 with a preference to enter into long positions at 92.90. The Aussie dollar pivot points at 103.20 with a preference to enter into long positions at 103.20. The sterling dollar pivot points at 155.85 with a preference to enter in short positions at 155.85. And the dollar CAD pivot points at 100.35 with a preference to enter in short positions at 100.35. Looking at commodities and indices. The oil pivot points at 96.50 with a preference to enter into long positions at 96.50. The gold pivot points at 1654 with a preference to enter in short positions at 1654. The silver pivot points at 31.25 with a preference to enter into long positions at 31.25. The US 500 is at 1512 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1512. And the UK 100 is at 6268 with a preference to enter into long positions at 6268. And of course, for more up-to-date information, please visit us at easy-forex.com. And watch out for these market movers. In Europe, we have the Italian preliminary GDP quarter-on-quarter forecast to fall by 0.5%. Also, the flash GDP quarter-on-quarter forecast to fall by 0.4%. And in the US, we have the unemployment claims expected at 361,000. And our interesting pair is the British pound US dollar. The British pound reached its lowest point in 6 months against the US dollar after worse than expected comments from the Bank of England Governor Mervyn King. The sterling touched 155.11 in early trading as the Bank of England is expected to ease its monetary stimulus further. Thank you for tuning in to our Daily Outlook. We look forward to seeing you again tomorrow. I'm Emma Jade from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a great day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.